Here, give this one one. Oh.
There you go, apples. Apples.
Hey, give me a little piece, I'm gonna lob it over there and show you that.
Too cool. Oh, dang it. Come here. He's like, hold on, let me eat it
Those
first.
over there like, fuck you.
Well, they can come closer too, like this guy.
Your house. Nope. Bad.
He's real hungry.
I still don't want to.
Have an apple on the floor? How'd that get here? He's all backing up together. Reverse.
Flip it out.
No way.
The deer's like, give it to me.
Right? Quit bullshitting.
I think we're gonna start shooting over there and set them up.
Apples do make you shit.
That deer's like, I love you guys right now.
Oh, I touched
Coming
it.
back
I
tomorrow
touched
morning.
it. Oh, I touched it. I don't think I got it on video though, because I was doing both at the
That
same
one
time.
there's like, fuck y'all. I'm
Yeah.
eating this plant over here.
Alright, deer, I'm done. Endless supply.
Yeah, no more food for y'all.
I don't want y'all to be here all weekend.
No, little baby's hungry.
Hi, baby.
This one is the coolest one right here.
Yeah, that's the gangster one.
Yep, he's brave.
He's like,
So you ain't got no food.
Hi. You got a runny nose? Come on. He's like, nope. That's a negative.
Okay.
No food.
And that
No
one over
service.
there, and that one.
No food, no petting.
Yep.
We got our own little deer petting zoo.
This
right now.
guy's
Right.
still over here. Okay, how do I stop it? Red
They're complimentary.
button?
Yep.